All right, getting ready for our first camp of the season. Here's all of our stuff. It can be exhausting.
Check out outside.
That's our 10.
Got all set up. It's been windy, so setting up the tent was interesting, but we got it. Yeah, we're just rocking this cabin style tent from Coleman. It's not bad. It gives us a lot of room. Normally I like a smaller tent. It's a little bit quicker to set up. Let's head on in and give you a tour of inside.
Okay, so this is where our fishing supplies is. And here's like our kitchen. We're having some dinner here. And here's Mom and Dad's bed. This is our bed here. And then we got this tent right here, which my brothers are playing in and eating in. Yeah. I'm gonna be sleeping over here. I'm gonna be sleeping over here. Right here. And here's outside. And here's how Mom and Dad sleeping.
All right, let's check out outside. What do you think?
Okay. And that's our 10. And we popped over there somewhere. There's a lake over there. I did saw it. It's white right there. Oh, here's the cool. It's where we bring when we're going on an adventure. And those are our chairs. The file. Yep. And we keep hitting big leaves in there, but they're like different colors.
What do you do this weekend?
Go fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else?
Huh? Having some fun. Oh, you got one? You got one! Oh, you got one? I got one!
So like, that is so windy. Oh my gosh. But we're trying to fish anyways.
About to go meet some family at the zoo, but before we do, we thought we'd get a little bit of energy burn.
Your grandpa, watch out for the bats.
We're gonna do some campfire cooking. You guys know what this is? What's it look like? Ribs, because that's what it is. These are baby back ribs. You can pick these up just about anywhere. Preparation very easy. We're just gonna pat it dry. Use any rub that you like. Today I'm using Texas sugar from Meat Church Barbecue, but we're just gonna put a little bit of seasoning on the back, and then let's flip it over. And then we're gonna generously season every part of this baby back rib. All right, so I'm just getting all The bits on here never rub. I know it's called the rub. Don't rub it in. Okay, and that is it. Very simple.
Have that pea bottle. Just have a pea bottle and always up in ostrich.
Nice.
giant! It's catfish! A giant! That's catfish! It's bluegill!
Okay, don't reel. Nice.
It's heavy. Take him a net.
Get.
Got a bite. A bass.
Nice. All right, let him go.
Bye, Becky. That has a duck. That has a duck. Look down. That has a duck. Big one.
Nice.
That's a big boy. Oh, yeah.
What's going on here, guys? Caught another one? Can you get that hook out? Yeah. So pull
You
it.
took that giant net.
Alright. Alright, well.
That's some sharp teeth. Right?
Alright, what's his name? Bassy. Alright, so we've had Bluey and Bassy so far. Let's let him go. Nicely next time. you catch? A catfish?
Bluegill.
Oh, okay. Look at that.
I think that might be the same fish that we caught.
You think so? I don't know. I think it's a little, oh, that one looks a little bigger. I'm not sure. Well, what's his name? Fred?
Huh?
Fred?
Bengal.
Bangle. All right, Bangle. We'll see you later.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Nice. Nice little shaded waiting area here while your kids are jumping on the trampoline. Go do a little swimming.
If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button.
For more adventure videos, go to our YouTube channel, Bomb Bros Adventures, where you can follow along on our journey.
Thanks for watching!